Hello friends, good morning, Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Milan Dolaria. In previous video, we completed exercise 6.3. So now let's move forward. Exercise 6.4. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. This is our third method, long division method. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Okay, so here we need to use the long division method. Okay, this is our third method, long division method, and this is very useful method to find out the square root. Okay, now our first question is 2304, right? But before that, we just want the squares of 1 to 100. Okay, so here 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, then 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100. Okay, before starting this method, we need to remember the squares of 1 to 10. Now 2304. This method is somehow similar with the division process. Okay, this method is somehow equal with the division method. Now our first work is to make the pair of two digits. Our first work is to make the pair of two digits, and we need to start from right hand side. Okay, so from here we need to take 2 digits. So this is our first pair, this is our second pair. First of all, we need to make the pair of two digits. Okay, and we need to start from the right hand side. So first 2 digits, after that this is second pair. So total 2 pair we have. Now first of all, what we need to do? Now first of all, our first pair is 23. Now we need to check this 23 lies between 16 and 25, right? We just need to check 23 lies between 16 to 25. Out of that, we need to take smaller number, 4 square 16. Okay, so here 4 multiplied 4, 60. So that we need to take here. Okay, first of all, check 23 lies between 16 to 25. Take the small number, 4 4s are 16, and here even you need to write the 4. This is our answer. Okay, now 23 minus 16. 23 minus 16, 7. Okay, in division, every time one digit comes down. Right, in actual division process, every time one digit comes down, but here whole pair comes down. That means this 04 now comes here. It becomes 704. In division only one digit came, but in long division two digits came here. Okay, so 704. Now what we need to do? Multiply this answer by 2. Multiply this answer by 2. So 4 multiplied to 8. So write down here 8. Now 1 space blank, multiply 1 space blank. Here we need to put a single digit. Okay, 0 to 9. But whatever digit here we put, same digit we need to put here. That means if I put here 1, so 81 multiply 1, both the digit we need to put the same digit. If I put 2, so 82 into 2. If I put 3, so 83 into 3. If I put 4, so 84 into 4, and so on. Okay, so here we need to put the same digit, and we want the answer near about 704, otherwise equals to 704. Okay, here we want what we want. Here we want answer 4, right? Sorry, 704. Now we need to estimate which digit we will put here, then we get the 704. Okay, now just check. We need to try out some numbers. Okay, so try out 48. Put here 8. So 88 multiply 8. 8 8 is 64. Remainder 6. 8 8 is 64 plus 6 70. Yes, it becomes 704. So here put the 8. So every time we need to use the subtraction process as per the division rule. Okay, here we get the remainder 0, and this answer here even we need to write. This is the answer of our square root. Okay, whenever we get the remainder 0, that means our division process is complete. Okay, and answer is 48. So we can write square root of 2304, 48. Okay. Again I repeat this process. First of all, we need to make the pair of two digits. After that, for first pair, check out this number lies between which number. So out of that we need to write the smaller number. Okay. Now subtraction process. Two digits comes down here. Now this number multiplied 2. One space blank multiply one space blank. We need to put the same digit such that we get the same answer. Okay, right now it is 8. So that 8 here even we need to write, and we get the remainder 0. Now next question is 4489. First one is to make the pair of two digits. Now 44 lies between 36 and 49, right? 44 lies between 36 and 49, but we need to take small numbers. So 6 square 36. So 6 6 are 36, and that 6 here even we need to put. Now subtraction. 44 minus 36, 8. Now this 89 comes down. So 889. Now what we need to do? Multiply this answer by 2. So here it becomes 12. One space blank, one space blank. Okay, same process we need to follow in all the questions. One space blank, one space blank. Now here we need to put the digit so that we get the answer 889. Okay. So here try out the 7. Put here 7. So 1 2 7 multiply 7. 7 7 is 49. Remainder 4. 7 is 14 plus 4. 18. Remainder 1. 7 with the 7 plus 1, 8. So we get the 889, right? So put here 7. And that 7 here even we need to write. So it becomes 889. Remainder 0. So answer of square root of 4489 is 67. Okay. So this is the actual process, and these are the rough ones. These things we need to write. Okay. After that, question number 3. 3481. First of all, make the pair of two digits. So 81 and 34. Now check this 34. 34 lies between 25 and 36. Out of that we need to take small number. 5 5s are 25. Now 34 minus 25, 9. 81 comes here, so 981. Now 5 multiplied 2, 10. One space blank, one space blank. Okay. Now we know that 9 9s are 81, so 109 into 9, it is 981, and becomes remainder 0. So put this 9 here even. So our answer is 59. Okay. After that, 5 to 9. We know that 5 to 9 is the square of 23. Now here, first of all, we need to make the pair of two digits, but we need to start from the right hand side. Okay, so one pair. Now if single digit is there, then that becomes our second pair. Because here we can write 0. Okay, we can put one extra 0. So it makes the pair of two digits. Okay, so first pair 29 and second pair 05. Now check, this 05 lies between 4 and 9. Right? 5 lies between 4 and 9, and out of that small number is 4. So 2 square, so 2 multiplied to 4. And here we need to put that digit. 5 minus 4, 1. This 29 comes here. Okay. Now 2 multiply 2. So 4, 1 space blank, 1 space blank. Okay. Now put here such that type of digit, so we get the 129. That digit is 3. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Right? So it becomes remainder 0, and this 3 we need to write here. Because we already know that answer is 23, right? So square root of 5 to 9 is 23. Now here we have 3249. First of all, make the pair of two digits. Now 32 lies between 25 and 36. So out of that small number, 5 5s are 25. 7 49 comes down. Okay, 5 here even we need to put. Now 5 multiplied 2, it's a 10. One space blank was one space blank. Here we have 49, so 7 sevens are. So put here 7. Now 107 into 7, it becomes 749. And if directly you don't know the answer, then you need to try out some numbers. Okay, first of all try out 5. If you think that this answer is less than this, then increase your number, otherwise decrease your number. Okay, now here we get the remainder 0, so that 7 here even we need to put. So square root of 3249 is 57. Now 1369, so square root of 1369, first of all make the pair of two digits. 13 lies between 9 and 16. Out of that we need to take small number, so 3 3s are 9. Now remainder 4 is 69 comes here. This 3 here even we need to put. Now 3 multiplied to 6, one space blank, one space blank. Okay. Now try out the digit 7. 67 into 7. 7 7 is 49, 4 7 6 is 42 plus 4 46. So yes, we get the 469. Right? So 7 7 7. So 469 we need to subtract here. So remainder 0. So our answer is 37. Okay, square root of 1369 37. After that 5776. Make the pair of two digits. So here we have 57. 57 lies between 49 and 64. Out of that small number is 49. So 7 7 are 49. Now subtract 49 from 57. So 8 and this 76 comes here. Now here we have 7. So 7 multiplied to 40. One space blank, one space blank. Okay. Now put the digit 4. So 144 into 4, 4 4s are 60. 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 1 remainder, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So here we do not get the 576. Sorry, we want 876. Right? So we need to increase the number. Okay. Here 876 is more than 576, so we need to increase the number. So now in place of 4, just try out 6. So 146 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 4 are 24 plus 3 27. 6 1 are 6 plus 2 8. Yes, so here we get the 876, remainder 0. 146, so here we need to put 6 and that answer here even we need to put. So finally square root of 5776 is 76. Okay. Now next is 7921. 7921. So pair of two digits. Now this 79 lies between 64 and 81, right? Out of that small number is 64. That means 8 8s are 64. Subtract this 9 minus 4 5, 7 minus 6 1. 2 1 comes here and here we need to put 8. Now this answer multiplied to it's a 16. 8 to the 16, right? Every time we need to multiply with 2. Okay, our answer multiply 2 every time. Okay, here 7 to the 14, 3 to the 6, so 8 to the 16. Now one space blank plus one space blank. Now we need to put such digit so we get the 1521. Okay, so put the digit 9. So 169 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 8 9 6 are 54 plus 8 is 62. 9 is 9 plus 6 15. Yes, so we get the 1521. Right? We need to put the digit 9. 169 into 9 and here even 9. So answer of this square root, that means 7921 is 89. Okay, after that 576. We know that 576 is the square of 24. So first of all 2 digits, and here put 1 0, so it becomes 2 digits. So first of all 5. 5 lies between 4 and 9, small number 4, so 2 multiply 2, 4, 1, now 76 comes here, 2 into 2, 4, 1 space blank, 1 space blank. Now put the digit 4 here. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, so it becomes 176. Okay, so square root of 576, 24. After that here 1024. So make the pair of 2 digits. So first of all we have 10. Right? Now 10 lies between 9 and 16. Right? This 10 lies between 9 and 16. Out of that small number is 3. Sorry, 9. So 3 3s are 9. Right? Now 10 minus 9, 1. This 24 comes here. Now our answer is 3. We need to multiply with 2. So 3 2s are 6. 1 space blank, 1 space blank. Now put the digit here such that we get the 1 2 4. So it's a 2 because we know that 62 into 2, 1 2 4. So put here 2. So answer of square root of 1024, it is 32. Okay. After that 3136. Okay, make the pair of 2 digits. First of all 31. 31 lies between 25 and 36. 31 lies between 25 and 36. Out of that, small number is 25, and it is 5 5s are 25. Right? So 5 multiply 5, 25. Put here 5. Now subtract this. So 6, 3 6 comes here. Now 5 multiply 2, 10. 1 space blank, 1 space blank. Here we have 36. So 6 6 are. So 106 into 6, 3, 6, 3, 6. We get the remainder 0. So here our answer is 56. Okay. 3136 is equal to, sorry, square root of 3136 is 56. And last question is 900. Make the pair of 2 digits. Okay, so first of all, our first pair is 9. Now exactly 9 we have. Okay, exactly 9 we have, so we need to take this number. Okay, 3 square 9. So 3 multiply 3, 9, 0. Here we need to put 3. Now this 2 0 comes here. Okay, and here we need to multiply with 6. So here we need to put 0, so we get the answer 0. Right, here we need to put 0, so same 0 we need to put here even. Means every pair we need to give one chance. Here 0 is there, so we need to put here 0. So it becomes 0. So answer of square root of 900 is 30. Okay, so in this way we can find the square root by long division method. Now why this is very important method? Because by using the long division method we can also find the square root of non-perfect square number. Okay, we can also find the square root of non-perfect square. That's why this method is very important, because this is the only one method by using it we can find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. Okay, prime factorization, repeated subtraction, estimation, all the methods we can use only whenever perfect square numbers are there. But if perfect square numbers are not there, then we need to use the long division method to find out the square root. Okay, that's why this is very important method. Okay, so here our question 1 is complete. If you have any doubt, so write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay.